Hello student, today we will discuss about pandas data structure. So first we will understand what is data structure. So a data structure is a particular way of storing and organizing data in a computer to suit a specific purpose so that it can be accessed and worked with in appropriate ways. So we can say data structure refers to a specialized way of storing data so that you can access easily. Students, different programming language use different data structure. So in pandas provide and deal with the following three data structure. So three data structure is this: series, data frames and panel. First we will understand series. What is series? It is a one-dimensional data structure storing homogeneous mutable data. It means, student, if you want to store multiple homogeneous value in a single column, then we will use series data structure. It can contain any data type including integer, float, string, Python object and more. So in series you can store multiple data types value, but in a single column you have to write only homogeneous value. It means in a single column value should be homogeneous. You can see in this picture, here we are using one data. In data column we are storing which type of value? We are storing string type value. You can see here our data is A, B, C, D, E. When we create series, then it store value with its index number. So when we create series, then value should be homogeneous in this column. Also you can see here we are storing 3 apples. So it's all are similar. So it store homogeneous value. So it's also a series data structure. Here also we are storing which type of data? All are books. So when we store homogeneous value in a single column, then we can say it's which type of data type? It's a series data type. Our next pandas data structure, data frames. It is a two-dimensional data structure storing heterogeneous mutable data. So student, if you want to store multiple columns value, then we will use data frame. So it is a two-dimensional value and storing heterogeneous value, and also we can store multiple data types value, and you can also mutable data. Data frame are two-dimensional labeled data structure that have columns that may be made up of different data types. You can also made up different. You can see here we are using data frames apples and orange. Those are different. Okay. So data frames are similar to spreadsheet or MySQL table. You can see, you also know about spreadsheet. It means your Excel sheet. When you create your Excel sheet, you can store multiple data types value, and also you know MySQL tables. So also in MySQL table we can store multiple data types in multiple columns. So we can say when we add two or more than series, then it will be data frame. You can see in this picture we add two series, then it will be data frame. Student, our next pandas data structure is panel. So first we will see panel. It is a three-dimensional way of storing items. So student, if you want to store three-dimensional value, then we will use this panel data structure. A panel is a 3D container of data. So if you want to store three-dimensional value, then we will use panel. The term panel data is derived from electrometrics and is partially responsible for the name pandas panel data. So student, pandas name made up panel data. From panel took pan and from data took do. So when we add these, then will be panda. So student, we can say data structure refer to a specialized way of storing data so we can access easily. Students, different programming language, different data structure. Here we are learn pandas. So here we learn pandas data structure. In pandas data structure, we can use three types of data structure: series, data frame, and panels. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.